Welcome back to Works 3D. I'm Craig, your host. Um, I've been doing a lot of research on the YouTubes, and it seems like right now a very popular video style is the fancy old vlog. Where you're holding out the camera. I don't have one in my hand right now. It's over there. But you're holding out the camera and you're talking head and blah 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 blah. Seems like a very popular video format right now. I may or may not have purchased a new camera, but I didn't buy the thing. So today I'm gonna make a thing, a thing that holds the thing, so I can do the thing. All the things. It's just going to be a quick one. The video might not be, but the thing will be. I hope. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm calling this one the quick stick. Yeah, get your mind out of the gutter. So basically what I've got, I have an action camera coming because they're lightweight, and it may or may not be here already, which is fine. But I didn't order a selfie stick because I couldn't find any that I liked. Vlog stick, selfie stick. So I've got some ideas for the future of my selfie stick to make it easier to move it, place it, put it, set it, stand it, all those things. But for right now, I just want something that I can quickly grab and do a little bit of vlog style videoing with. I also have a lavalier mic with a receiver. So I need to incorporate some kind of either cold shoe mount or clip that I can clip it onto, something like that for the camera. So let's get started. I've already taken some measurements of the screw I'm going to use, of the mount that I'll be using for now. So let's get into it and get started on the sketch. And basically, it's just going to be a big cylinder. Nothing too crazy. So it should be fairly easy to do. So I'm going to do a series of circles here. I'm going to start off with so the base of the mount that I have is 32 millimeters. So I'm going to go bigger than that. I'm going to go, I don't need it a lot bigger. I just want I want the mount to not overhang the top. So I'm going to go 34 millimeters for that one. And boom. I take that back. I'm going to go 36. So I get a little more overhang. Gives me some room to do some filleting or chamfering or, whatever I want to do there. And I need another one that is the overall diameter of the handle. I want it to be 30 millimeters, I think. I'll print it, and if I don't like it, I'll change it. It's a nice thing about 3D printing. You make custom stuff, and if you don't like it, you make more custom stuff. Okay, so that'll be the handle diameter. Now I need to have a relief for the head of the bolt. which the head of the bolt itself is about 12 millimeters. So I'm going to make this 13 millimeters. That should give me enough clearance for clearance. It should give me enough clearance to feed the head of the bolt in there, no problem. And then the last thing that I need is clearance for the shank of the bolt, the threads. And they are approximately, it's a little under 7 millimeters, but I'm going to go 7.5 millimeters because I want that to be kind of close tolerance. And there we go. So really all I got to do is extrude all this stuff out to the right sizes and I'm good to go, I think. Let's find out. So we'll start off. Well, oh, and then we're going to have to add the clip. So we'll figure that out. Yeah, we'll add that on afterwards. So there's my fancy sketch. Let's start off by, I need to extrude the handle. And it needs to be approximately 115 millimeters, I think. We'll find out, but I think that'll work. Turn my sketch back on. And then I'm going to extrude this outer ring. I'm actually going to extrude it twice. Let's go 5. Let's go 4. Yeah, that works. And then we will also we'll extrude that one. This one again. Except we're going to go start from object, boom. And we're going to go, I don't want offset, distance, -4. Okay. And then I need to extrude this one from this object here. And it needs to be 14 millimeters. We'll go -14 because I got to go back the other way. Boom. Now, so you got a hole in the bottom big enough for the bolt to fit up in there. So basically there's the handle. Might be good, might not be good. I don't know. I've never made one before. So now let's do another sketch. So on the center surface, on the front, I guess. Let's do a let's get a projection of this. We'll add that. So that way I can let's do a construction line. I'm going to go from the center of this over $12 millimeters. Sounds good. I'm going to do a rectangle that is 24 by 9. Yeah, that'll work. Maybe. I don't know. Extrude that out. Just join. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Okay. I love that. Okay, let's see. And I'm probably doing way too much. So let's just go. Let's go crazy. Let's project this. Let's actually project that. I'll just pretend to. That. Boom. Okay. Now we'll turn off the bodies. I will draw a rectangle. It'd be 2 by more than that. It's fine. That'll work. And then I need to draw another rectangle. 20 We'll do one more. Boom. Okay. And then I want to project. That circle there. Try it again. Project. That circle there. Okay. Okay. So we'll finish the sketch. And now I want to extrude that right there. Turn the body back on. And I want to go to object. I'm going to go all the way to there. And okay. It should give me plenty of clearance to clip my little mic stand thing on. And while we're at it, yeah, cool. Actually look like it's very confusing. Yeah, I don't like that. I'm putting this on top so it'll be all right. What I can do is I will extrude this here. I will go back to this extrusion. Nope, not that one. I'll figure it out. Give me a minute. Four millimeters. So this one Change that to 5. There we go. That should work. Okay. And then I'll chamfer these the same, just because. Actually, no, because my hand's going to be down there. Let's make that a little smoother. Let's fillet that. So we'll fillet that. And all of these surfaces here. And then we'll come down here to the bottom. We'll do all those. We'll flip it back around. And what we have is a little stick, little handle. So let's see if this will work. Let me get it saved and then we'll slice and print it. We'll see you in a few. Bye-bye. All right, folks. Welcome back to KrakenWorks 3D. I'm Craig, and this is my new vlog setup. I have a mic. I have a nice little action cam. So I should be able to get some decent vlogs now. All due to 3D printing. Give me a minute and I'll show off the little setup that I have now. All right. So now, make sure my mic's over here. I'm still using my USB mic on the PC for this particular cut. I now have a lavalier mic, which you either saw or will see in the footage from the handle. But here is my little vlog setup. The handle is only a prototype, but it works so far, so I'll probably make some small improvements over time. But I have a Insta360 Ace 1 Pro, a Donner lavalier mic receiver and the cord. It's all good to go. So there's you seeing you. That's you. And it's shut off. Cool. Anyway, so that's all this video was about, was to make it so I can do some vlog style videos now. Set this down over here. And so coming soon, I'll start putting out some vlogs about what I'm printing, or like over the holidays, I posted some shorts about some of the items that I printed for White Elephant gifts, or gifts to my granddaughter. Now when I've got stuff like that printing, in addition to the time-lapse, I can do a little vlog and post the time-lapse and have some more fun. So hopefully that'll show up in some more videos soon. And I do have some plans to, if I can stop banging on the table, I do have some plans to try to improve my little quick stick there, make additional mounting points, and, you know, I don't know. I'll just play around with it, and as I make some more designs to go along with it, or revise the original, we'll see where it goes. But I want to say, if you know what, actually, if you guys or gals have any recommendations on how I can improve this little quick stick, put a comment down, you know, down there. Hey, like and comment down there. And then subscribe. You might like this video over here.